Welcome to our class. Can you see and hear teacher?
Yeah, we can see you.
Right. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Percy.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Percy. Are you now ready for our class?
Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready.
All right. Listen to teacher and look to teacher, okay?
Okay.
All right. Percy, look. What can you see in the picture? I can see Cindy. Yes, Cindy and a man. That's right. Percy, look. Today we will learn about. Okay, let's read the title.
Where is the toy store?
Very good. That's right. Where is the toy store? Percy, let's find where are the toys. Let's move the magic glass. Yes, look. Where is the robot? Percy, let's find the robot. Yes. Where is it? The robot is next to the ball. Percy, where is the dog? Yes, that's right. Now, Percy, the dog is between the car and the ball. Percy, where is the car? The car? Yes, that's right. Correct. The car is... Yes, the car is in the box. Good job, Percy. Now, Percy, look. Let's have phonics review. Are you ready? Alright, ready, go. Look, Percy, we have phonics. And that's right. Percy, look at the picture. What is this? This is
Fish.
correct. A fish. Percy, look, what's this? This is a what is this? A fox. Fox. That's right. Correct. Very good. So we have a fish and a fox. Good job. Now, Percy, look. Look at the picture. What is this? This is a van. Van.
Van.
That's right. Very good. And look, Percy, what is this? It's a village.
Yellow.
Yes, village. Very good. Correct. All right, again, let's say the words that we have. Percy, fish, fish, fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Fox, fox.
Fox, fox, fox.
That's right. Next, van, van, van.
Van.
And last, village, village, village.
Village.
Very good. Percy, let's play a game. Listen which sounds do these words have. All right, Percy, look, what's this? It's a van. That's right. This one, what's this? It's a flag. Correct. Percy, look, this is a vase. Correct. And Percy, look, what's this? It's a fan. Correct. Good job. Now, Percy, let's blend and say these words. Ready? Fox.
Fox.
What's this? Look. Pig. Pig.
Fig. Fig.
Look. Percy, this is van. Van. Yes, a van. Wow. All right, a van. And Percy, look. Let's say it. Vest. Vest.
Vest.
That's right. Correct. Very good. Look, Percy, again, what do you call this? Let's say it. Van.
Van.
Fig. Fig.
Wig. Fog. Fig. Fan. Wrist.
Hey, that's right. Vest. That's correct. Good job, Percy. Percy, let's have word review. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Go, go, go. Percy, look. Look at Timmy.
Where?
Next to.
Next to. Between.
Movie.
With the movie.
Theater.
Theater.
Yes, a movie theater. Next. Shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
Next, inside.
Inside.
All right, inside.
Inside.
Very good. Now, Percy, remember these words? Okay, again, we have where, where. Next to. Next to. Percy, between.
Between.
Okay, and what do you call it, Percy? A movie. Movie theater.
Theater.
Correct. And look, Percy, what's this? Shopping.
Shopping mall.
Mall, that's right. And look at the cat. Where is the cat? The cat is
inside.
Yes, inside the box. Very good. Now, Percy, let's play some games. Look at the picture and say, what's this? Ready? Ready? Let's start, Percy.
Where?
Look at the picture. Yes, it's where. Very good. Look, where is the cat, Percy?
Outside.
It is next to.
Next to.
Yes, next to the box. Very good. Percy, look at the picture. Where is the cat? Yes, between two boxes. Look, Percy. Yes, it's inside. Percy, look. What's this?
Movie set.
Yes, it's a movie theater. Correct. Percy, look.
Shopping mall.
Very good. A shopping mall.
Where? Next to. Next. Between.
Very good.
Inside.
That's right.
Movie theater.
Yes, a movie theater.
Shopping mall.
Yes, wow. You got a perfect score, Percy. Very good. You have 12 out of 12. Good job. Now, Percy, let's talk. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready, go. Percy, look at Cindy and a man. Let's listen.
Hello, sir. Where is a toy store, sir? I will tell you.
That's right. Now, listen.
First, go to the
Cafeteria.
cafeteria inside the shopping mall.
Very good. Okay. Next, listen, Percy.
Next to the cafeteria is the movie theater.
That's right. Next to the cafeteria is the movie theater.
Okay, I understand.
And that's right. Percy.
In between the movie theater and the candy store is the toy store.
Ooh. Great.
Great, thank you.
Right, thank you, Percy. Very good. Now, Percy, let's play some games. Are you ready?
Ready.
Percy, listen to the audio and repeat it 3 times.
Where is the toy store?
Okay, 1. Where is
the toy store? Where
right,
is the toy store? Where is
fantastic.
the store?
Very good, Percy. Next, listen, Percy.
In between the movie theater and the candy store is the toy store.
Yes, again, in between.
In between the movie
Theater
and the candy store is
is.
the toy store.
Wow, good job, Percy. Next, Percy, let's play a game. Look at the picture. Drag the picture. Drag. Where is? Let's drag the picture and say it. Where is? Okay, we can see toy store. Yes, candy store and movie theater. That's right. And another one.
Where is the candy store?
Yes, where is the candy store, Percy? In between the ice cream
and the
ice cream shop and
and the
playground.
playground.
That's right. Now, Percy, let's describe the picture. Look, let's describe the locations of places. Look, in between candy store
this store
and
the
toy store
store
is the shopping mall.
shopping mall.
Inside the shopping mall
Shopping mall
is the
movie theater.
That is right. Good job, Percy. Now, Percy, let's have the I can do it phonics for today. Look,
Fish.
we have, that's right, fish.
Fox.
Fox, yes.
Van.
Van, that's right. And what is the next word we have? Village.
Village.
Correct. Good job, Percy. Next, Percy, let's read the keywords and phrases for today.
Where? Movie theater next to shopping mall between inside.
Very good. Percy, look, let's read the sentences for today.
There is a toy store in between the movie theater and the candy store is the toy store.
That's right. Very well said, Percy. Percy, let me give you your trophy and award for today. Look, you got a trophy, teacher, and another star. Percy, great job in answering today's lesson. Now let's sing together our bye-bye song. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Goodbye. Santa. Bye bye.